Hi, Kent. Marty Collins with Page One here in Farmington, Utah. Hey, I just got on your website and was noticing what a great site. You've got good bones. You've got a blog. And I wanted to reach out and let you know that we are blog writers, and I want to give you a free blog article. It's over $399 value to let you check out our services if you're so inclined. We just acquired a company called Metamodus.org, one of the nation's largest blog content suppliers. And there's over 298,000 articles that we've written so far for blogs and content. And you know, the value of new content, fresh content, is immeasurable in search and organic rankings. So we'd like to offer and extend that free article to you. I'd love to talk more in person or over the phone. And I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks, Ken.